Challenge video 13. Here we go. Junkfoodtaster.com, and here we go, my beautiful friends. So I've got for you the Disney Frozen Gingerbread Castle. And yeah, I bought this long time ago. I cannot eat this anymore. And we have funny figurines in here. Yeah, let's see what it's all about. Here's like the back side. And it's more just like an unboxing. I won't do it the way it's meant to be. So here we got a little duct tape, which I just will cut. Here we go. Let's open up the box. This is a weird box opening affair. Okay. Alrighty, and here we go. I asked myself, where's the figurines? Okay, so this seems to be decoration. And this would be like the bag for the icing. Here's some Smartie style candy. More decoration. Alrighty, here we got the figurine. Okay, let's open this up. Here we go. Smells a lot like plastic here. You got the figurine. Elsa. The dress. Looks really kind of cheap. Okay. And here's Olaf. Olaf is funny. Olaf the snowman. Yep. So, yeah, children's movie some while ago. Okay, I like Olaf. Okay, so in the middle there was this package with the gingerbread. I can't eat it, it's 5 years old. But I will get another box and check it out. So somehow they put the entrance on top. Yeah, still smells a little bit. As you can see, nothing happened, no mold, nothing. It just dried up, I think. Yeah. Okay. Well, this is quite interesting. I should have done it, I think. So there seems to be no construction manual. I think it's self-explaining. This was an easy set. So this comes here. This is not working whatsoever. So maybe back in the day it would be an elastic. This is now very stiff and hard. And I think you should put it in like this, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So I'm sorry for this episode, but this was like lying around. This is the things I can easily show you. Also, I guess it would be a waste not to show it. So there we have it. This is how it should look like. Yeah. So I have more of this strange. I have more of sort of this strange videos coming up. I can show you a little bit. Is this got thumbnail? I don't think so. Yeah, I've got, here we go. I've got Minions Mellow Pop. Actually, I showed it, I think, actually also 2 times. And these were also lying around a long time. And I got this Japanese set, which I can also just unbox. Now I break it. I have to say it doesn't smell really good. Smells strange. Here you can still break it. Try to break the bottom. There you go. Here you go, my beautiful friends. This was this episode. Yeah. So I need to get 1,000 videos. So I feel kind of sorry to make such videos, but okay. Challenge is the most important thing. Tomorrow, I actually don't know what's tomorrow. I have to say, the logbook. If you already recognized it, the logbook is kind of tricky because the videos come online as you can see them, okay? But when I produce it, it's a completely different thing. Hey, this was 13, the gingerbread. And the upcoming video is a video about perfume. This I already produced. Okay. This smells bad. I don't know what to do now, because when I throw it into the trash, it still smells. I need to get to the trash outside immediately. It's not like a super... It's strange to describe. Definitely doesn't smell like food anymore. Sort of aggressive cardboard smell. Anyways, so I hope you liked this video and see ya in the upcoming video.